Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 291. If we start with this box, we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. This row now is only missing a 9. For this box now we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes, so our 6 has to be here. We've got a 9 here, so this is our 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we're missing a 3 and a 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2. A 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 covering these 2 boxes, so our 2 must be here. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 6. No, that's not right. We're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so this is our 4 and our 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing a 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. That's not right. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.